Good morning, gentlemen. Indeed, it is a good morning. I always begin my mornings the same way, with gratitude. I am a product of faith and prayer, and I look at every day as a gift. And I'm grateful to be here and an opportunity to share with you today. Although I'm the guest speaker, you guys are the guest of honor. I'm here because of you. Dr. King once said, "Courage is the power of the mind to overcome fear." That is the standard that we are all called to overcome. To be men of courage, who always lead with love, who lead with faith, but who lead with conviction, even when it's hard. So I challenge you again to be courageous. Honor God, honor your family, honor yourself, and honor this lineage of great men, this brotherhood. And remember to dream a dream that is not just for yourself, but for the generations to come. I say now what was once said to me, knowing that one day you may need to say it to someone else. You are gonna be all right. And God bless you.